Plants are grouped and categorized in many different ways, and our backyard crops like this rosemary are no different. Root crops and fruit crops, leaf crops and green crops. What we grow them for and how we do it are all ways to group our favorite edible plants. One common but more scientific way to classify them is based on their life cycle. Surely you've heard of annuals, such as this cilantro here, and perennials, like this dormant blueberry bush. But there's a third type of life cycle that many aren't aware of. Hi, I'm Jeff from the Ripe Tomato Farms, and welcome to another episode of the Garden Quickie, where in 2 minutes or less, we talk about some pretty interesting gardening facts. And today is all about biennial plants. So what is a biennial? Quite simply, biennials are flowering plants that have a 2-year life cycle. While an annual plant lives, grows, produces, and dies within a year, and a perennial lives out their life cycle over the course of 3 years or more, biennials are right in the middle. As seeds, they germinate, grow, produce roots, stems, and leaves, all in the first year. Winter then either causes the plants to slow down or go completely dormant. And then in the second year, the plants will flower, completing their life cycle. As growers, you may not know this, but we actually have quite a few biennial plants in our backyard gardens. Favorites such as beets, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, carrots, celery, collards, kale, lettuce, onions, and Swiss chard. Of course, modern plant breeding and your local climate may stretch some of these guys to becoming perennials, or it may even shorten some of their life cycles to becoming an annual. Either way, they're still in fact classified as biennials. Fun stuff. Know what else is fun? Probably the next episode of the Garden Quickie. Thanks for watching, guys. And hey, if Garden Quickies are your thing, be sure to click on this playlist here as we explore and solve more growing issues in 2 minutes or less.